Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to play games on your Google TV device. And this is very easy by opening up the Google Play Store. So go up to the top, go to search right here, and then go to this little box and say Google Play Store, or just type it in. Now you're going to see the Google Play Store on here. You want to go up and then go to the right, and you can see there's an entire game category right here. You can find your featured games right here. Fun for everyone, Riptide. So connect your controller and download one of these games, and you should be good to go. So we can just select one of these games. So we got arcade, action, racing, sports, and role-playing. So I'll just click on one of these games, check it out. Looks like there's a bus simulator or something. I can install this and start playing it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.